Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up ChatGPT conversations with export tools. To begin backing up your ChatGPT conversations, first, log in to your ChatGPT account. Navigate to your conversation history section. Select the conversations you would like to export. Look for an export option, usually found within Settings or Options. Click on the Export button to initiate the process. Choose your preferred file format for the backup, such as JSON or text. Confirm your selection by clicking on the Download or Save prompt. The export process will begin, and you will see a notification when it's complete. Check your Downloads folder for the exported file. Open the file to verify that your conversations have been recorded correctly. If you need to back up multiple conversations, repeat the selection and export process as necessary. For those using third-party tools, search for ChatGPT backup extensions or applications. Install the chosen export tool following the provided instructions carefully. Open the tool and link it to your ChatGPT account if required. Follow the tool's specific guidelines to back up your conversations seamlessly. Make sure to save your exported files in a secure location. Regularly back up your conversations to avoid data loss in the future. Consider scheduling reminders to maintain an updated backup of your ChatGPT interactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.